YouTube doesn't care how big your channel is, and you don't need lots of subscribers to get big views on your next video. And I'm not just saying words here, I actually have proof. So let me show you the analytics of 3 videos from my main YouTube channel, Simple Self-Defense. So this is the 4th ever video that we posted on our main YouTube channel, and at the time I think we had around 150 subscribers, and we hadn't managed to pass 100 views per video at that point. And you can see within 4 weeks of posting, we had hit over 42,000 views, and our subscribers increased to over 1,000. I posted this video when we had only 2,000 subscribers, and you can see within 4 weeks of posting, we hit over 686,000 views. And I posted this video when we hit 100,000 subscribers, and in the first 4 weeks, we got 9,900 views. There is no link whatsoever between how many subscribers you have and how well your next video is going to perform. If there was, then you would fully expect our lifetime views graph to be trending upwards, right? More subscribers over time equals more views. But actually, it looks more like a lie detector. But all of this raises an uncomfortable truth that most creators just don't want to hear, which is that all that you need to grow on YouTube is fully within your control. All videos are judged equally by YouTube, regardless of your subscriber count. A lot of YouTubers that I work with blame the algorithm for their problems, and the algorithm isn't perfect, it's not infallible. However, YouTube in general wants to push your videos to as many people as possible. And if you make good videos that people click on and people keep watching, YouTube will try to push those videos. If your videos don't make people click and they don't keep people hooked, then YouTube won't push them, and it doesn't matter if you've got 2 million subscribers. And that's brilliant, because otherwise big YouTube channels would just monopolize YouTube, and people that are just starting out would never be able to grow their channel to compete with the big guys. I would have never been able to take my self-defense channel 3 years ago and grow it to where it is today. Look, so this is one of the main channels in my self-defense niche. It's got 2 million subscribers, which is 20 times the amount that my channel has. But my new videos regularly outperform theirs, and I get way more views per subscriber than they do. It is entirely down to you to keep making the best content that you can, to make videos that people will click on, keep watching, and to build a channel that people come back to time and time again. And how successful you are on YouTube depends entirely on your ability to do that. Now, most times you'll get it wrong, okay? Even the big channels fail most of the time. If I post 10 videos on my main channel, then 1, maybe 2 will do really well. But you only really need 1 video out of 10 to do really well to get significant levels of growth. Now, while you don't need lots of subscribers to get big views on YouTube, there are some advantages that having a big channel will bring. One advantage is that you have a bigger seed audience. A seed audience is an initial group of people that YouTube will push your new video to as soon as you release it, to test it out. If the seed audience like it, then YouTube will push it to a bigger group of people. And if they like it, a bigger group of people, and so on. If the seed audience doesn't like it, then YouTube will stop pushing it any further, and therefore your views will end with the seed audience. So if a big channel and a small channel both post an equally bad video, then it's likely that the bigger channel will still have a higher baseline of views because they have a bigger seed audience. But the seed audience still needs to like the video in order for YouTube to push it. So even if you've got a big seed audience, if it doesn't like the new video, YouTube will stop pushing it. Also, a successful video on a big established channel will likely have a much bigger payoff than an equally successful video on a smaller channel. Imagine you're quite a new channel, you've only got 3 videos, no offers, no lead magnets, and your 4th video does really well. Well, now you've got a big audience of people that doesn't really have anywhere to go other than 3 other videos that you've made. But if you've got a more established channel, let's say you've got 100 videos, you've got lead magnets, you've got an offer, then if your next video does really well, it means you've got a big audience now that can choose from 100 other videos of yours to go and watch, can download your lead magnets, and ultimately might buy your offer. So the overall impact of a big hit video is way more significant on an established channel than it would be on a channel that's just starting out. I've only posted 90 long-form videos on my main channel, and 75% of my overall subscribers and views came from just 7 videos. In this video here, I've broken down exactly why those 7 videos did really well, so that you can apply those principles to your own channel. Or if you'd rather jump straight in, work directly with me and we can grow your YouTube channel together, click the link in the description, book yourself a call.